Hi Teddies, it's your island doll Winnie and I'm back with another gardening video. Now today I will be showing you how to regrow your carrots. Whether it's store-bought or plucked right out of the soil on the farm, regrowing carrots take the same process. Now it's important to note that when you're embarking on regrowing your carrots, you will not get the entire carrot to regrow. The only part that's going to grow back will be the top, leafy part. And you can use it to garnish your salads, make smoothies, put in pastas, and other yummy treats. So let's get into this video. Now for the things you'll need. An object to help you with inserting your carrot, a knife, a watering jug, and I have my handy watering jug my husband made for me, which was a simple juice jug with holes inserted to the top. And last but not least, your main character of this movie, your carrot. Now, you don't need a ruler or measuring tape for cutting the top of your carrot. It's normally based on the size of your carrot. However, I try to get at least an inch off the top to give me enough room with inserting it in the soil. So I'm going to cut my carrots and get back to you. Okay guys, now that I have my carrots already cut, I decided to do 3 pieces so that I could efficiently show you the process of regrowing them. So as you can see, I cut almost about an inch off of them. I'm going to place them in a clear container or any little container you have aside, and you're going to want to fill it with some water. So it's important to know that when filling your container with water, you do not want to fill it all the way to the top or you're going to drown the carrot pieces that you're trying to regrow. You just want enough water for them to have enough to start the regrowth process. So remember, do not fully submerge your carrot pieces. To help me to know if I have too much water, I normally do a fingernail test, and that tells me if it's enough. Now after you have your carrot pieces placed in a container of your choice in their water, you're going to place it in a nice place where it can get enough sun and at the same time not too much sun. So here I'm just showing you some carrot tops that I had sitting in water for about 4 to 5 days, and I'm going to transport them into soil. So another tip when regrowing your carrots, you don't want them to sit in water too long. Now I know some people have their carrots regrown in water full time. I personally don't agree with that method because I've noticed for me personally, my carrots tend to get soggy and they don't regrow well. So I'm going to take them from this stage to where they get little buds on top of them, and hopefully you'll be able to see leafy green ones like this here that you can put in pastas and smoothies and other yummy treats. So with this guy right here, he was just transported in, but once you keep watering them, they're going to get the leafy green top. Alright, now it's time to transfer our carrot tops that started budding into soil. Okay guys, so after you've moistened your soil up, you're going to use a tool of your choice, whether it's a little stick or your gardening tools, to help you separate the soil for you to insert your carrot top. Now always remember, when you're inserting them, you want to give them enough room apart so they can have enough room to grow properly. Now unlike if you were growing a full carrot you would have to do outdoors, you can actually regrow your carrots indoor. So this is perfect for persons that live in an apartment complex like myself, which is why most of my gardenings are done in plant pot. Regrowing carrots are an awesome first plant for persons who are just starting their gardening journey. If you'd like to see more videos, on other plants that you can regrow, please comment below or inbox me and let me know. Okay guys, so now that I've inserted my last carrot top, what I'm going to do next is the last step, which is to simply water them. And then I'm going to place my plant pot in an area where it can get enough sun, but not too much to where it's going to burn them. And that's it guys. Your carrot top should be getting some leafy greens in no time. So until next time, remember to be you unapologetically, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get updates on new videos. Happy gardening!